Hi everyone, welcome back to Hana Crochet Design. I'm Eva, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you how I make my sticker sheet with CROCHET maker. In the first video that I posted a few weeks ago, I showed the drawing process of these stickers. I'm using my iPad and Apple Pencil, and I drew the stickers in Procreate apps. If you're interested to see how I drew it in Procreate apps, you can check the link in the right corner here. So in today's video, we're just gonna focus on how to print this artwork and how to cut this in CROCHET maker. So first of all, I'm gonna outline my image one by one. This white outline will determine the cutting line. So I'm gonna spend more time on this to make sure that the line is smooth and neat. Since I didn't draw with a solid brush, I want to make sure that the white background behind this image is solid. So I'm gonna go back and check again and fill in the part which I have not filled yet. Well, actually you can change the cutting setup in CROCHET Design Space, but it is easier to do it in Procreate apps. If you don't have a solid color behind the image, CROCHET will recognize this as a cutting line. So you might end up with a cutting line in the middle of your sticker. Alright, I've done with the outline. Next, I'm going to save this as PSD and airdrop this to my computer. The reason why I save this as PSD because I'm going to resize and do some adjustment later on in my computer. So it's easier to have an individual layer for each image. Alright, I have transferred my artwork to my computer, and I'm gonna open this in Photoshop. The biggest print size for print and cut feature in CROCHET maker is 9.25 inches by 6.75 inches. So I'm going to open a new document with this size, and I'm gonna transfer all the image into this new document. So here I'm resizing my image one by one and trying to maximize the space. Alright, this is good enough for me. Next, I'm going to remove the background and I'm going to save this file as PNG file. Alright, I have opened my CROCHET Design Space and I'm going to upload my sticker file. Alright, then I'm going to choose complex for the image type and then continue. Hit continue, and then for this, you're going to choose print and cut image. And then you're going to upload. Then the uploaded image will appear here. Next, we're going to click insert image. And I'm going to resize my stickers. If your artwork is too big, you're gonna see this warning saying that you have to reduce the image size. The maximum printing size is 9.25 inches by 6.75 inches. Once you're done with the size, you can hit make it. And this is how the stickers will look when you print it. Next, hit continue and send it to printer. Alright, for this option, I'm going to disable the add bleed. And I'm going to use system dialog, and usually the printer setup window will appear behind the CROCHET Design Space window. And for the quality of the color, I'm gonna choose the best, and for the media type, I'm gonna choose glossy photo paper. I'm gonna print this sticker sheet with a Canon Pixma TS-A370, and so far I'm very happy with the color quality. And for the sticker paper, I'm just using this regular vinyl sticker paper. I've got this from Shopee, and you also can get it from Amazon. For the next step, I'm going to cut the sticker sheet with my cricut maker. I'm gonna put the printed sticker on a mat, and you want to put exactly like what it was shown in the Cricut design space. And now I'm ready to load the mat to the Cricut maker. And now we can go back to the design space to do some setup there. For the material, Cricut has a lot of option for the materials, but to me, to make the sticker sheet, the best setting is sticky note. And for the blade, I'm just using the fine point blade. Alright, everything looks good. Now we can start the machine. This cutting process usually takes a few minutes. Alright, my Cricut has finished with the cutting. Now we're going to unload the mat and remove the sticker sheet from the mat. After that, I'm gonna check the stickers. As you can see, this is perfectly cut. I made this sticker for my daughter for her DIY card, so I don't really design the template. But if you want to sell your sticker sheet, I think you have to design the template nicely. For these washi stickers, I purposely draw an outline around the stickers. If you don't want any white outline, you shouldn't add it. I think Cricut will be able to cut exactly on the line. Just make sure to calibrate your Cricut maker before you do your project. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next craft tutorial. Bye!